Oh my gosh, I already know this one.
Ready? Are we on? Okay, pause.
Okay.
Okay, what are the rules?
Oh, I know this one. I know this one very well.
You guys like this song?
You guys are making me laugh.
I think the heads are moving right. No air guitar, okay?
I feel it coming, but
Really? Okay, we gotta check the feet.
She's bobbing her head, but I can't.
This song's getting to me.
Already.
I just lost, right?
You're a little bobbing. You're not snapping your finger behind your back, are you? Oh, these fingers. I see fingers moving.
Oh, I gotta move to this song.
Worth
Especially
it.
this part.
Yeah, it's worth it. I think I saw some.
I know, my head is bobbed.
I think I lost it.
Your head was like-
yeah.
Oh, that's the song.
This song came out a long time ago.
It's the thing. Oh, what?
Okay.
Oh,
You gotta cut off
missed
a
it.
rap. That's the best part.
Oh, we're gonna got you, huh?
Yeah,
Okay, so
I
next,
thought
the
it got
next,
me.
the
I
next
thought
one
it
for
would've
you.
been like-
We're taking it back.
Yeah.
We're taking it back a little bit, okay?
Okay.
Okay, got it. No!
Oh my gosh.
Oh, all right. It's one of my favorite songs.
Uh oh.
That's a Malibu, right?
Yes.
1987, I think.
Ooh.
88.
You can smile. Shane gonna show you smile.
Makes me just want to like disco right now.
Okay, hands are
No, I was setting them down. This is like, it feels like torture.
You bobbing your head?
And Bob says like,
Oh, looks like I'm winning so far.
It's hard to ignore this song. If this wasn't a challenge, I would have danced to it.
I used to get like really freaky with this song.
Oh.
oh,
If I look at you, I probably would be dancing. Or dance with you.
What would 16-year-old Pina do?
What? Oh, I would dance. Like I would, I do crazy moves. Yeah, for this song, so.
The song is a little.
For sure, this song when I play at the radio, I always dance to it.
That's it.
you stand up, you just. Why it's
I'm always
funny.
sitting by myself. Oh wait, I'm not supposed to dance.
What's the song?
Do you guys know the artist?
No, I don't. Is it
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey.
You have 3 more. You're good.
Oh man.
All right.
Oh my gosh. Where's Cool at?
This one's more mellow. But I can't promise I'm not gonna sing to it.
How do you feel about this song?
Oh, this is a great song. It's a song. It's a very good song.
before he cut his hair?
I don't know before he cut his hair, man. He still look pretty good though with that haircut.
Can I not watch it?
Well, the thing is, my job requires me to stand at attention like this.
That song is called Shithole, man. I think let him know that you start singing to it. Seriously. I'm biting my lips right now.
I didn't know him then, you know. But I thought it was an incredible artist.
I think this time around I get to like enjoy it, you know, in a way that you're not purposely singing along. You really want to hear the story. Yeah.
As
Anybody lost it?
有故事，姐姐，这多年来，
No, everybody.
Back to a B. Into an A.
Oh, we didn't get air guitar, but we got piano.
Maybe on the solo.
They didn't say anything about air piano.
Yeah, air piano.
I survived that. Not really.
Not really.
Oh no! Sudden rush.
Do it.
Sparked up at the country. Yeah, it's a sudden rush.
Oh, heck yeah.
Yeah. I'm a big fan of them.
My head is moving. I know it. Right?
That scene though.
Oh yeah.
I'm singing in my head. So I guess that doesn't help. Yeah.
You know who they should have got to bring here? That guy that did the cover on that song. What's his name? Lord?
Lord Chang?
Oh, Lord Che?
They should have brought him.
When you heard the songs, there's any memories that pop up?
Yeah. When I was young again and I was in love.
This is forced torture. Sorry. I know this one.
I grew up with this song, man. It's a classic. Oh yo.
That's a very old video.
Does the girl end up singing too, or did you cut it before that?
我細個我真係錄落一樣嘅片。
Guys, soup.
Oh, we got her.
I'm trying so hard. My leg. 我同我記錄落咗。
Well, we karaoke to the song all the time.
Who does the girl's part?
Forgot the guy's name, the band name. But I know the song very good.
啊，我只係呢個唱嚟咗。
This she's a bit long.
I can't stand still. Like when these music kick in, it brings me back so much memory. You know?
It's a girl.
Like concentration. Literally,
I want to move my head. I want to sway. Yeah.
Hey, before Lee Jung, there was this guy, right?
Yeah, I know that. He's so cheesy. Look at him.
几乎我根本不需要。Just sing it.
係呢，但係嗱，記錄落執落呢度。
Yay!
That's it, yes.
Good job, guys.
Yes.
Which one was the hardest one not to sing along to?
This
I
one.
think
Probably cool.
I think Goo is the one.
Yeah, Goo was
Those are
the
the
one.
only two
Yeah.
songs.
The Valungjo and the Ishining one.
Yeah, those were probably
Yeah.
the only two.
Dude.
The Malibu one? Hey, you almost did
I
the.
almost did the hey.
Hey, hey.
So which one was your favorite song?
I think the last one. 'cause
The last
I
one?
kind of grew up with
Yeah.
Right. That was very challenging, I tell you that. Though.
Yeah. There were moments that I just wanted to like, you saw who know the更高一条. Yeah,
Good
absolutely.
job.
Thank you. I thought
That
I
was
did.
hard.
I thought I did pretty okay.
Yeah, you did good.
All right.
All right.
So did I win?
Yeah.
No, not
Not even a
even.
chance.
Not
But I didn't move that much.